as well as one that came in from Wayne. And Wayne is asking, I'm questioning why they would introduce a 10-year maintenance plan and make a reserve fund compulsory, yet there's no link between the two. The new changes do not give any benchmark for how much a strata company should raise as a reserve fund.
I have exactly the same question, Wayne. I'm not too sure why. Yes, I don't believe that the new regulations actually stipulate how much you need to keep in there as a minimum. But again, this will be something that if someone asks to see the records and they see that your reserve fund forecast is showing that you need to spend $250,000 to update your lifts and you've got no money in there, then people will be asking questions. So, you know, where are they all going to get the money from? Is that going to be a special collection that they're going to have to do? So that will be a concern. So yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to have one without the other. So this might all take a year or two before it washes through the system, but my gut feeling will be that people that are purchasing are going to be the ones that are going to be driving this. So if they're looking at strata scheme A and the one next door and they look similar, but one seems to be better managed than the other, then that's probably what's going to drive it at the end of the day.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thanks so much. And probably because I'm just here with you now, and it sort of ties in with that question that you just answered, Anne was asking, when does the 10-year plan have to be in place and do the funds need to be saved into a separate fund?
Yes, so I believe there has to be a fund, so that a fund needs to be created, i.e. a bank account, a trust. But as I said, my understanding is that the regulations don't stipulate how much money you need to keep in there. But I guess in terms of the Council of Owners, they need to understand how they're going to be able to get that money or get a loan or look at whatever options there might be to have that money available to them when they require it. So I've had people say to me, why should I pay for a fund for a lift to be upgraded in 10 years time if I'm not here now? But that same person's using the lift every day. So it sort of seems a bit silly, but these are the questions that I'm asked. So yes, I believe the regulations don't stipulate and aren't clear on that, but I think something will happen to someone and that'll create a precedence in the industry, and then people will follow. So no doubt lawyers will get involved and then everything will get messy after that.
Okay, great.